Hey there, number explorers! Welcome to our super fun number adventure. Today, we're going to learn all about adding, and trust me, it's going to be a blast.
So, I gotta ask you, are you ready to be my math buddy and come on this adventure with me? Awesome. Okay, let's jump right in.
All right, so first up, what even is adding? Well, it's really simple. Adding is just when you put numbers together to find out how many you have in all. Kind of like if you gathered all of your favorite blocks into one big pile just to see how many you have.
To get our adventure started, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. It's a math power-up, and I call it the super shape trick. It's a really cool way to see the numbers add together. Okay, here's our first mission. We need to figure out what 2 plus 3 is. You ready to use our new trick to solve it? Let's do this.
Okay, now watch this. With the super shape trick, we get to turn our numbers into shapes. So, the number 2, poof, it turns into 2 triangles. And then the number 3, poof, that one becomes 3 triangles. See that? We have a group of 2 and a group of 3.
And now for the really cool part. We're going to slide all of those triangles into one big group. So are you ready to count them with me? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
5. The answer is 5. You did it. That means 2 plus 3 equals 5. You are an amazing counter.
You know, since you're doing so great, let's learn some special math words. The numbers we're adding together, like our 2 and 3, they're called addends. You can think of them like friends joining a party. And the answer we get, our number 5, that's called the sum. The sum is how many friends are at the party altogether. Addends and sum. See? You're learning a whole new language.
Are you ready for another awesome way to add? I thought so. This next trick is called counting on, and we're going to use some delicious-looking apples to figure it out.
So, for our next challenge, we need to find out what 3 plus 5 is. Now, when we count on, we don't have to start counting from 1. We can just start with the first number we see. You see that first group of 3 apples? We already know there are 3, so let's just start from there. Okay, so we've got 3 in our head. Now get your pointer finger ready, and let's touch the other apples and keep counting. Ready? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
We stopped at 8. That means 3 apples plus 5 apples gives us 8 apples in all. You are a math superstar, for sure.
You know what we're doing is so important, we can actually write it down, kind of like a sentence, a math sentence. It's how we tell a story with our numbers. Let's see how it works.
Whoa, look at all these bright, colorful pencils. It looks like we have 2 groups here. Let's see, the first group has 4 pencils, and yep, the second group has 6 pencils.
So to make this into a math sentence, we write it down just like this. 4, then we use this little sign, it's called a plus sign. Then we write 6, and then we use this sign with the 2 lines, that's the equals sign. Our sentence says, 4 plus 6 equals, well, what does it equal?
Let's put them all together and count them up to find that sum. Are you ready to count with me one more time? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pencils. So that means 4 plus 6 equals 10.
All right, math buddy, you've been doing such an amazing job and you've learned so many new tricks. I think you're ready. It is time for your practice challenge. This is where you get to show what you know.
I mean, think about it. You've learned the super shape trick, you've learned how to count on, and now you can even write a math sentence. You're basically a pro. So are you ready to try one all by yourself? I know you can do it.
Okay, here we go. Look closely at the umbrellas. You have a group of 6 and a group of 3. So the math sentence is 6 plus 3 equals what? Go ahead and count them up to find the sum. I'll be super quiet so you can focus.
Did you get it? The answer is 9. There are 9 umbrellas in all. 6 plus 3 equals 9. Yes, that's it. You are a math genius.
You totally did it. You finished the whole number adventure and you passed the challenge with flying colors. That makes you an official math whiz. Keep practicing your adding, and I seriously can't wait for our next adventure together. Bye for now, math buddy.